Hello friends! Today we are going to program the first version of our server. We have made our requirement specification. We entered the requirement specification into the AI system of preference and we waited for a couple of seconds. There was no problems in generating the backend part of it. The front end was a little bit of a hassle because it was difficult to convey to the AI how the look and feel should be, and they keep messing up. The system now is truly modular, and the user interface, the graphical user interface, reacts to the data and organizes itself to the data from the data route. But in the next video, we are going to address the major hurdle which was discovered here and make a template for future projects. That is, we are going to make the graphical thingy first. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye!